In 2021, you guys might have seen like a variety of gaming laptops, right? But what I'll be showing you in today's video is gonna completely blow your mind. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super awesome guys because I'm back with an amazing gaming laptop. And let me tell you, this is like something completely different and unique. See, usually gaming laptops are like quite bulky and heavy, right? So what ROG was planning was they were trying to get like a super compact, super lightweight and portable laptop that should be like powerful enough to do even gaming also. And that is how they made this new laptop called as the ROG Flow X13. And let me tell you, this is like a two-in-one convertible hybrid gaming laptop. That means this gaming laptop literally has a touch display on it, supports stylus functionality, and you can convert it on the go from a laptop into a tab mode also. It can literally change into different forms, and that is the reason I'm calling it as the transformers of all gaming laptops. And it's got like plenty of other features also guys, which I'll be telling you in this video. So let's get started. And by the way, I have changed something in terms of my looks, and let me see like how many of you guys can actually let me know in the comment section like what I've changed in terms of my looks. So let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so here is our brand new gaming laptop from ROG, the Flow X13. And as mentioned before, this is a 2-in-1 convertible 13-inch gaming laptop from the brand. And let me tell you, this laptop is available in like multiple variants. The one we'll be reviewing today is GV301. I'll tell you about the specs and features in a moment. And looks like there is nothing much written on the outer box packaging. So let's quickly unbox it and check out the laptop. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the package. By the way, this is not the actual box packaging. Inside you've got the actual box, and along with that you get some accessories as well, which I'll show you in a moment. So this is the actual box of the laptop. Looks very compact and quite stylish as well. We'll just come back to the laptop in a moment. Let me first show you the accessories that we get in the package. Oh, you get a free carry case for the laptop, and that too with complete ROG branding on it. It's got this white and black theme on it. Looks pretty nice. Let me just open it up and show you what's inside. Looks like we've got one more bag inside this bag guys, must be for the accessories. Let me just keep that aside, and lastly you get a strap for the bag so that you can attach it to the bag and sling it around your neck. That's it, these are all the accessories. Now let me just show you what's inside the other box packaging. So there you go, this is the actual box packaging of the laptop. Looks pretty nice. It's got this complete black and white theme on it with the ROG logo everywhere, and at the back side we've got the details of the product. As mentioned, the model we'll be reviewing today is GV301Q. It's a convertible 2-in-1 13-inch gaming laptop that features a 13.4-inch 4K display. It's powered by AMD's newest Ryzen 9 5900 HS CPU and comes with GTX 1650 graphic card, has 16 GB RAM on board and 1 TB PCI Gen 3 SSD. So those were the specs, and as soon as you open it, our first look at ROG's brand new Flow X13 convertible gaming laptop. My god, this is so compact and lightweight. We'll just come back to this in a moment. Let me just keep it aside and show you the accessories. You get a power adapter for charging, a mains cord for the adapter, some paperwork, just make sure to read that. And you also get a free stylus in the package. The laptop has touch display, right? So you can use this for your creative and productive applications. And that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the brand new ROG Flow X13. Comes nicely packed like this, and on the front you've got some of its highlights mentioned over here, like it's got this 360-degree convertible design. It's very compact and lightweight, features ProArt True Color technology, and has Dolby Atmos sound, and features a powerful 7nm Ryzen 5000 series CPU. Let me just quickly take it out of this packaging and show you the laptop. There you go, our first look at the ROG Flow X13 GV301. And my god, I have to say, I think this is the most compact and lightweight 13-inch gaming laptop I've seen till now. It's got a very unique design guys, and has a 16:10 aspect ratio. On the front side you can see it's got these diagonal streaks that give a beautiful look to the laptop, and features ROG's nameplate to the lower left corner. The build quality of the laptop is very good, feels quite premium. It's also quite lightweight guys, weighs only around 1.3 kgs with a thickness of only 15.8 mm. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on it. Starting off from the left, you've got some LED indicators, one for the battery charging, other for the power indicator. There's a 3.5mm audio port, a full-size HDMI port, and you see this ROG connector. Well, this is used to connect ROG's exclusive XG mobile external GPU solution for this laptop and connect up to a 3080 graphic card to this laptop. So going to the front side, there's nothing much over here, just a clean look. And to the right, we've got some more connectivity ports. Like there's a power button which also has a built-in fingerprint scanner. There's a USB 3.2 Type A port and a Type C port as well that supports power delivery, and an exhaust vent just beside that. Now going to the back side, over here you can observe that we've got some more exhaust vents to the left and right to let the heat escape and keep the laptop running cool. And this is how the bottom panel of the laptop looks like. The whole body has these diagonal streaks, and these two are the fan exhaust vents, and you've got rubber foot pads on all the corners, some product info details, and you can even see the stereo downfiring speakers powered by Dolby Atmos. And if you ask about the upgradability part, well, basically there is nothing that you can upgrade on this laptop. You can only like replace the SSD in future. That is the only thing you can do. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just open up the laptop and show you how it looks like. So as soon as you open it, guys, the first thing you'll notice is its 360-degree hinge design. I've told you, right, this is a 2-in-1 360-degree convertible. That means you can fold the display all the way till the other side and easily convert from a laptop into a tablet mode as well. That is crazy for a gaming laptop, right? You can use it like a tab, you can use it as a laptop, you can even use it in tent mode. Multiple options are available. So let me just quickly tell you about the display. As mentioned earlier, the Flow X13 comes with multiple display variants as well. One comes with 4K 60Hz panel, while the other comes with a 1080p 120Hz panel. The one we have right now is the first model. So guys, it comes with a 13.4-inch 4K 16:10 IPS level display with a refresh rate of 60Hz. And let me tell you, it's got 116% sRGB color gamut and supports 85% DCI-P3 color gamut, and also it's Pantone validated, and on top of that it's like a complete touch display. The bezels on the laptop are also quite thin to the sides and the top side, but the bezel on the bottom is definitely a bit thicker. The laptop does come with a built-in 720p HD webcam to the top side, and that is pretty much it. That was about the upper half. Now going to the lower half, this is how the keyboard section looks like. It's got a full-size 15-inch white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and the quality of the keyboard is very good. It also supports N key rollover, and with a key travel of around 1.7mm, it offers a quite comfortable experience while using, and the touchpad quality was also pretty decent. Now let's talk about the main parts of the laptop, starting off with the display, and then we'll talk about the performance. The Flow X13 features a 13.4-inch 4K 16:10 IPS level display with 60Hz refresh rate, and let me tell you, the quality of the display is very good. It's got 4K resolution at only 13.4 inches size, right? So there's great amount of detail and sharpness. The text on the panel looks crisp and sharp, and everything is like easily readable no matter you're going through blogs or website. Now talking about the color accuracy and the color reproduction, well, it's Pantone validated and supports 116% sRGB and 85% DCI-P3 color gamut, right? So it was producing rich and vibrant colors with great accuracy. So yes, you can even use it for your professional work like designing, color grading, video editing, and these sort of stuff. It's perfect for these applications. Keeping that aside, the contrast levels were fine, brightness levels were also decent, and dynamic range is also pretty good. Just check out this video clip so you guys will get an idea on the display quality. There are a lot of other interesting categories, and I would definitely love to cover them on my channel. Now coming to the sound, the Flow X13 features stereo downfiring speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, and the quality of the speakers was pretty good. They were producing decent quality sound with great clarity, and the distortion was also minimum even at max volume. The only thing I felt is the audio output was a bit less on this laptop. I know you all have been waiting for this, so let's talk about the main part, the performance. Well, on paper, the Flow X13 packs some really good hardware. It's powered by AMD's newest Ryzen 9 5900HS, which is an 8-core 16-thread monster mobile CPU with a boost clock of up to 4.5 GHz, and comes in multiple GPU variants, but unfortunately in India, we only have the 1650 Max-Q GPU model available at the moment. Pair that with 2x8 16GB dual channel RAM and 1TB PCI Gen 3 SSD, you can expect great results from this laptop. laptop. It runs like Muska. Everything feels so smooth and responsive, like opening and closing of apps, the boot times, and even wake from sleep. No matter what sort of CPU intensive load you throw at it, this machine can handle it like a breeze. It's great for on the go office or work purpose. Designers and creators can make good use of it as it supports stylus and touch functionality as well. And you can even do all your 4K video editings also. But the only thing I was not that satisfied was with the GPU. Like, really? A 1650 Max Q paired with a monster Ryzen 9 CPU? I would be so happy only if ROG had at least used a 20 series GPU. I mean, it's not a budget laptop also, na? We're paying premium price for it, then why not? Anyways, talking about gaming, you can do AAA title gaming but not at ultra graphics preset. To show you the performance, I'll be playing a couple of AAA title games, popular ones at 1080p resolution with medium to high graphics. Just check out these gameplays. Starting off with GTA 5. We are playing it at 1080p resolution and you can keep a check on all the CPU stats at the top left corner. Okay, so as you can see, we were getting an average of around 50 frames per second in GTA 5. Not bad considering that this is not a dedicated gaming machine. It's a 2-in-1 hybrid convertible model, right? And their main aim was to keep it super compact, lightweight, yet offer good performance on the go. You can play most of the AAA title games and even the newest ones, but expect around 40 to 45 FPS on an average. But what if I told you there's actually a way to fully unlock this laptop's true gaming potential, and that is possible by using a separate device known as the XG Mobile. It's like an external GPU solution that houses up to an RTX 3080 and can truly change the gaming experience on this model. But that is something optional and also not available at the moment in India. I'll keep you posted on that as and when it's available. Let's also play one more game, which is Doom Eternal. We're playing this also at 1080p resolution at very high graphics and got a consistent frame rate of around 60 to 65 FPS. We're almost coming to an end, so let's talk about the battery life. It's got a 62 Wh 4-cell battery and the battery life was like mediocre. On a typical usage with the brightness set to 65% and doing stuff like browsing the web, streaming videos and slight photo editing, I was getting around 5 to 5.5 hours of battery life. Here's a tip though, you can actually lower down the resolution from 4K to 1080p and squeeze out a bit more battery. So that's it guys, that was our video on ROG's brand new convertible 2-in-1 hybrid gaming laptop, the Flow X13. It is definitely a unique and innovative product. I love the concept, super compact, lightweight, offers a great display and performance on the go. But to unlock its true gaming potential, as I've told you, you'll definitely need to get that XG Mobile as well, which is a separate investment apart from the laptop. The only few things I felt ROG should work on were the speaker's audio output could have been a bit higher, it's got limited connectivity ports and also has average battery life. The pricing for the base variant with Ryzen 7 starts at 1,24,000 rupees in India. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.